everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video I'll be talking about Fiverr stock, and it's been down from its highs. If it's still a good investment in 2021, could it still 2 times your money like it did in 2020? So I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research. Please feel free to like my videos for the YouTube algorithm so more people can see my videos and learn more about it. Fiverr provides services for businesses. So for example, if you need someone to edit your videos, you go on Fiverr and there are a bunch of people who you pay who can do this. So for example, if I want someone to edit my videos for me and I don't have time, I can pay a specific amount of dollars to someone to do it for me. That's how this company makes money. The reason why this stock went up almost 800% in 2021 or in 2020 is because there was COVID-19 happened. People were working from home and they were making their own business and they would need services to help them. So this is why they blew up. I'll show you guys this quick video. So what the CEO has to say of this company. So let's play it.
So obviously we've been seeing tremendous growth this year.
So we can see here, look at this. To 88% Q3, there are services in 160 countries, which means this is an international company, and it has 200 service categories and 320,000 active buyers.
What happens to your business?
We haven't seen any slowdown once the market opened, and we've seen that across the globe. So every country that moved into a lockdown and then relaxed that lockdown and went into normality hasn't changed its trend. So I don't think that the vaccine is going to change anything. If anything, I think that remote work, something we've been preaching for the past 10 years, is here to stay. Maybe not in the degree that it is right now.
He's saying is that people will go for side hustles as secondary income, and as well as more and more people will want to create businesses, and they will need freelance services such as making websites. If you guys think that the freelance sector is going to grow in 2021 and 30 years, I do think this is a great company to invest in. 2020, September 30, they had revenue of 133,000, 77,542 in 2019. So that is some positive growth from this company. They currently have 419,000 in assets of 130,000 in liabilities. So they have more than enough assets to cover the liabilities. They're not going to debt anywhere here. They have tons of cash, 105,000. They can literally pay off all their debt right now. I'd like to point you out to what some institutions are doing. Today, Parallel Advisors had increased their quarterly shares. They're up 811%. So basically this dip right here is nothing. Dip is just consolidation. We shouldn't be concerned with that small of a dip, considering that they went up 800% on the year. That dip is nothing. So if you guys believe in the company, you guys believe in what they do, you believe in their fundamentals, then invest in this company. Do not invest in what you don't believe. So if you guys hit $1,000 right now, so split that $1,000. So we're going to average down to split that $1,000 into 4. So tomorrow, buy when market opens, put your first 250 when market opens, no matter the price. Then the next day if it drops to 228, put your next 250. Then the next day if it drops to 225, put your next 250 on that. The next week if it drops all the way to 220, it might not drop down to 220, but we're going to be prepared for the drop to 220. Put your last 250 on that, then we set right up to its highs. The reason we average down is because we want to expect a drop and we want to be prepared for the drop so we don't miss out on these buying opportunities. This company before this day, because I do think on this day that their earnings are going to surprise us. So basically, I do think when the earnings come, I do think the earnings will beat their expectations and will drive the price up. Past 3 quarters they have beat their expectations, so I do think this quarter they're going to beat it again, because we've seen with COVID-19 their freelance services have grown rapidly. High price target for this year could easily be $600, because I truly believe in freelancing service. So my high price target for this would be around $600, and my low price target for this would be $200 if all goes wrong. If all goes wrong and freelance services do not grow in the coming year, I do think this could go down to 200 or even 190. So those are my opinion for this video. So that's my whole analysis on Fiverr being down from its highs. I do think it's a buy if you believe in freelance services. So that's it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, so this is my whole analysis on Fiverr. If you guys were to get it now, buy it tomorrow at its market price then average down. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Please feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn by investing. You guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.